Okay, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to enable your Direct3D. So the main thing that you have to, the main thing that you see, and yes, I've already got mine working and all that. As you can see, I actually have the color for my windows. Um, like the red and all that, the different colors. Alright, so you're gonna go to your start orb right here, and you're gonna type in DXDiag, or no, I mean, you can if you want to, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use run for this step though. You can type in run, and then you can type in DXDiag in there and press OK. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Anyways, so we're just gonna let that open up, which normally takes a minute or two. But I'm gonna go ahead and explain to y'all something. As you can tell, I've already got my Direct3D enabled now, and I just enabled it is why, and this is for proof too, because you know that you can't open up the League of Legends menu without Direct3D being enabled. So I'm gonna click on display, and it should load it up. And it's gonna say enabled for mine, but for you, it's more than likely gonna say not available. All right, and that's for the people that have that issue on Windows 7. That's what I'm looking for, and this is what I'm gonna help you with. I'm gonna help you exactly with this. So as you can see, it says it's enabled, but it's not what we want to worry about right now. Is not mine, is yours. That says not available. If yours says not available, you've come to the correct video. Okay, so now what to do? Oh, my bad. To go ahead and get to where you have it to where your Direct3D is enabled and you are able to play games again and all that shit. Well, first off, what we need to do is see what your driver is. Okay. All right. So it's best to type in driver in there. Wait for that to load up. Which, the only reason my computer's really being slow is because of the whole reason to be that I'm recording a video. So, yep. We're going on 2 minutes and almost 50 seconds here. Hope this thing will fucking open up already. Damn, dude. There we go. Well, no, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so it opened up Drivers Max, which I've already got. I'm gonna type in driver. Should come with driver manager, device manager. There we go. Okay. So, after installing the Drivers Max, which is something that I'm going to get to, you're not going to be able to just type in driver or drivers and then press enter and it'll open up your device manager. No, you shall not. Okay. Anyways, so we're going to go ahead and open up our device manager, and whenever this loads up, I'm going to show you all where to go to find out what you have. But either way, it does not really matter. What I had was the standard VGA adapter, but I do have an AMD Radeon inside the computer, so yeah. So the device manager has opened, but it's not responding thanks to the video recorder. Jesus, I don't understand why. Oh, that would be a good reason. Yeah, that would be a good reason why. Okay, so you're going to go to display adapters. As you see, mine does say AMD Radeon now. It used to say just standard VGA adapter. Okay, if you have that problem, which is more than likely the problem that you are having, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So, you're going to go and I will leave the link in the description for this software. You're going to click on the download thing. You're going to install it. You have to create an account, and then you have to verify it. Okay? After verifying the account through your email address, you can just go in and follow these steps that I give you. Alright, so open it up, and you'll come up to this page right here. Okay? So you're going to click on driver downloads and info. You're going to click on scan for driver updates. And it's going to do a scan for about a minute or two, possibly 3, which is why I'm not going to do it. But you're going to want to look for standard VGA adapter. I don't want to wait for that operation to complete, so I'm just going to exit. So you're going to look for standard VGA adapter or whatever your graphics card said in there. Not always necessarily standard VGA adapter, but if it said something else than that, click it. There should be an option to download it beside it. Okay, there should be a button that says download. Alright. Hold on. So, that button that says download, you're going to want to click on that, and that'll start downloading the driver. I'm pretty sure it asks you if you can download it and all that. And then after that, it'll take you to your after that, it'll tell you that you can view your downloads. Okay? So, here we are, down here. See, only Driver Max Pro users can download more than 2 drivers per day. Which I've already downloaded 2 drivers, and I installed both of them. Which one was updating my internet, and the first one was to update my graphics card. Okay? And so, after it downloads that bar right there, it'll go blue and finish. Like, the whole bar will be filled with the color blue. What's up, blue? Okay, and then you want to click install under cancel. Like, it'll be right under cancel to say install, or you can just like click select it and install it. Alright, so then you're gonna have to follow through the steps. After you follow through the steps, just reboot your computer, and after rebooting your computer, then all you have to do, and a few minutes after rebooting your computer, the software Driver Max will actually open up. Like, if you open it up again, or normally I believe it's on startup, like it'll be down in here on your startup. After a few minutes, you'll get a notification asking if the driver had installed correctly and all that. You just want to click on that and like to see if it did work correctly. Then you want to go to DXDiag. Alright, you want to do this again after rebooting your computer. Alright, so we're just going to wait for that to load up. Okay, and then you're going to want to click on your display again. Now, what your display, whenever it said not available at first, it should now say enabled, enabled, and enabled. Alright? And then now, whenever you go into your device manager or anything like that, instead of saying standard VGA adapter, it should say your exact graphics card. Okay? And now, to also test it, you want to go to personalize. Okay, and then you want to click on window color, and instead of it popping up that window, it should come to this right here. Alright, this if it comes to this window, then you want to click yes, it installed and all that. The little bubble, I can't remember what it's called. Damn. The radio button, I believe is what it's called. Radio box, something like that, where it's like a little circle and it's got the green dot inside of it. Whenever you click on it, yeah, that's like a radio a button, sort of like the check box. So if that does tend out to working, then best way to check is to download the League of Legends game, launch the after installing it, try launching it. If it says cannot